Hello students. Now the 12th computer science new syllabus with Python has been published by CBSE. So it is very interesting. Topic is very interesting. When you do the programming, you will enjoy doing the programming. So let us see the syllabus of 12th computer science. Code number is 083 for the new Python. Now class 12th syllabus we are going through. So class 11th already you have done all the programming portion, flow of control, list, tuple, dictionary, everything you have completed, strings. Now today we will do this syllabus of class 12th. In this, the learning outcomes at the end of the syllabus, what all things you should know. Apply the concept of functions and recursion. Function already you have done, that is a big program can be broken down into small functions. Functions are a set of instructions to do a specific task, and recursion is when a function calls itself. Clear? Next, ability to create and use Python libraries. Now you will create your own libraries as well as you will use the Python libraries. There are some built-in also, as well as you will create, you will save using .py, and then you will import it and you will use the functions of that file. Next, concept of file handling. Now data file handling, you will learn the text file and the binary file, and you will perform all the operations. Make use of the concept of efficiency in algorithm and computing in general. So efficiency in algorithm, how the programs are written, so that you have three types of possibilities are there. So that you have to calculate the efficiency in algorithm. Next is ability to use basic data structures, stacks and queues. So the list knowledge which you are having of class 11, along with that you will go through stacks and queues. Stacks implements LIFO, last in first out, and queue implements FIFO, first in first out. Next, explain the basics of computer networks, networking, all the topologies, all the different types of cables, everything you will learn of networking. Next, ability to use connectivity between Python and SQL. So MySQL you have learned. Now connectivity you will learn how to connect Python and SQL. Now all the other topics like 2020 topics were all the ethics, cyber laws, and those topics have been removed in this. Clear? So we will go through all the topics one by one. Here you can see computational thinking and programming 40 marks, computer networking 10 marks, database management 20. So in this paper, in 2020 paper, the 4 units are there which we have already done till now. That will come. This is the new syllabus of 2021, in which only 3 topics, 3 units are there. So those who are giving the exam of 2020, they will do all the 4 topics, 4 units, along with those cyber security, all those topics they have to do. And here society, law and ethics is the 4th unit, and those who will give the exam of 2021, they will do only 3 units. So the first unit is computational thinking and programming, revision of the basics of Python. This you have done 11th class revision. Function, scope, parameter, passing mutable, immutable properties of data objects, passing strings, lists, tuples, dictionaries to functions, default parameters, positional parameters, return values, functions using libraries, mathematical and string functions. So you will, after this syllabus, one by one topic is being explained, each and every topic with programming. So you go through the topic. If you have any doubt, you just mention in the comment section. We will add whatever doubts you are having, we will clear there. Next, file handling, need for a data file, types of files, text file, binary files, and CSV, comma separated value files. Next is text file, basic operations on a text file, the open function, file name, absolute or relative path mode, close a text file, reading and manipulation of data from a text file, appending data into a text file, standard input, output, and error streams, relative and absolute paths. Binary operations, binary files in 2021, It was not there in 2020. CSV file, same thing. Clear? Now using Python libraries, create and import Python libraries. Recursion is there in both. So here in recursion you are having only print a message forever, sum of first and natural numbers, factorial, Fibonacci numbers, recursion on binary, on arrays, that is binary search. From recursion 3 marks question will come and only limited questions are there, factorial. So any one of these 4 will come in your exam. It is 100% that it will come of 3 marks, either sum of first and natural numbers or factorial or Fibonacci or binary search. Next, idea of efficiency, performance measurement in terms of the number of operations. Next, data structure. So list will come from last year's class 11 portion. Stacks you will do push pop using a list, and in queue you will do insert delete using a queue, using a list. Next is computer networks. Evolution of networking, ARPANET, internet, interspace, different ways of sending data along across the network with reference to switching technique, circuit and packet switching. This you have already done, how circuits are connected to do the switching to send the messages. And nowadays we are using packet switching in TCP/IP. So we are making the packets, it is automatically made and it is sent. Next is data communication terminologies, concepts of channels, bandwidth, hertz. Now these are the units: hertz, kilohertz, megahertz, and data transfer rate, BPS, KBPS, MBPS, GBPS, TBPS. So these are your data transfer rates. Transmission media, twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, optical fiber cable. So these are your guided one, unguided one, infrared, radio links, microwave links and satellite links. So these are wireless, the last 4 are wireless. Network devices, modem, RJ45 connectors, Ethernet card, router, switch, gateway, Wi-Fi cards we will do. Network topologies and types, bus, star, tree, and types, different types are LAN, WAN, MAN and PAN. Network protocols, TCP/IP, file transfer protocol, FTP, PPP, post office protocol. Then POP is post office protocol, HTTP, SMTP, remote login and internet. Next, wireless and mobile communication protocols such as GSM, GPRS and WLL. Mobile telecommunication technologies 1G, 2G, 3G, 4G, 5G. Mobile processors, electronic mail protocols such as SMTP, POP3, protocols for chat and video conferencing, VoIP, wireless technologies such as Wi-Fi and WiMAX. Next is your network security concepts, threats and preventions from viruses, worms, Trojan horse, spams, use of cookies, protection using firewall, HTTPS, S for security, then secure, then India IT Act 2000, then cyber laws, cyber crimes, IPR issues, hacking, introduction to web services, www, hypertext markup language, HTML, extensible markup language, XML, hypertext transfer protocol, HTTP, domain names, URL, website, web browser, web servers, web hosting, web scripting, client side. Client side are VB script, JavaScript, PHP, and server side are ASP, JSP and PHP. Web 2.0 for social networking. Then e-commerce, payment transaction using online banking, mobile banking, payment apps and services. Next, database management, in which you are having database concept, introduction to database concept and its need, relational data models, concept of domain relation. Now these things 2020 batch has done in class 11th only. 2021 batch will do it in class 12th again. So relational data models, so this we have already done. SQL, general concepts, advantages of using SQL data, all the queries, different data types, SQL commands, all DDL, DML, TCL commands. Then the functions, some, these are the aggregate functions, 5 functions, some AVG, count, max, min. Then joins, equijoin, natural join. Now interface of Python with SQL database. So connecting SQL with Python, creating database connectivity applications, perform insert, update, delete queries, display data by using fetch one, fetch all, row count. So you will find all these videos, so you can just go through the video and you will understand all the topics. Now in practicals you are having 20, this programming, Python programming you have to write. So in report file you will have 20 Python programs, out of which 4 programs the connectivity you have to use, and then project. So the list of the practical list is also given in this CBSE curriculum, and how to design the project is being explained. So this is the practicals of database, and this is your project. So this is your complete syllabus given in CBSE curriculum. You can go through. I will give the link in the description box. You can see the link also. So this is our syllabus. We will start our studies.